logistics, materials management, material master, purchasing, master data, info record, ME11 create, vendor material purchase org, PUBG, PUBG purchase org. Okay, we don't have any purchase org. Purchase org. 0001 is the default given by SAP. Do we have a material and vendor? I don't think so. Let's create one. Let's search for one. My company code. G start search. No, we don't have any. Okay, let's create a vendor today. SPRO. Financial accounting. Vendor accounts. Master data. Preparations. Account groups. With screen layouts. New entries. PUBG. PUBG vendors. Account. Fine. Group. Okay. Now, if you go to company code data, account management, reconciliation account is optional. Okay, let's make it required. Sort key is required, and other things we don't need when we are creating a vendor. Okay, sort key is required, reconciliation account. Okay, withholding tax, interest, personnel number, release group, gross income tax. We don't need all this. CIIU code. In company code, when we will be creating a vendor, all these fields will be suppressed. Hidden. So saved, double click, purchasing data. In purchasing data, we want ABC indicator, order acknowledgement, minimum order value. This is okay. Minimum order value. Salesperson, no good received information verification. Automatic generated purchase order, vendor schema group, mode of transport, officer of exit, control pricing, plan delivery time, price marking, rack jobbing, free goods, vendor sort. Okay, generative measurable rounding profile. Service level, account with vendor, Auto debit. Okay. Settlement profile. Government monitoring. Save. Company code data. Account management is done already. Payment transactions. Terms of payment. Page down. Save. Double click. Additional purchasing data. Company code data correspondence. Correspondence is now deactivated because all fields are hidden. Withholding tax code. Okay, this is needed sometimes. The rest is okay. General data. Address. Some fields in address are just not required, like district, street. No, this can be required. Search term is required for address. Region. Save. Okay. Communication. Control. Train station. We don't need these fields. These are not needed actually. Taxes, national person. Payment transaction.
Payment gone, payment gone, payment gone, payment gone.
Okay, define screen layout and number ranges for vendor accounts. Intervals. We have intervals B1, 1060, 110,699. Now let's go to SPRO. Cross application component. Okay. In cross application, we have SAP Business Partner. business partner, basic settings, number range and groupings, define number ranges, intervals. Okay. B1. Okay, B1 106 10699 and B1 106 10699 601 601. Okay, this is good. We can assign this. Assign number ranges to vendor account groups. Of G, B1, save, save. Now we are done. Now next is define groupings and assign number ranges. New entries, pop G, pop, pop, pop G, central cross application components. Pop G, cross app grouping. Number range B1. Save, save. Okay, save. Data was saved. Okay. Now, next comes master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, business partner setting, field assignment, uh, settings for financial accounting, customer vendor. Okay, new entries. Group was pop G and grouping was also pop G. Same number, save. You're not going to use grouping pop G with identical numbers. Why? Okay, new entries. Pop G, pop G. Same numbers. Yes. Save. Now this is save. Okay. Now we can create vendor BP organization. Yeah, cross application. SAP business partner, basic settings. Master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, business partner settings, vendor integration, field assignment, assign keys, direction VP to vendor. Okay, this is done.
Um,
Basic settings, number ranges and groupings, define groupings. Okay. Let's obj. Okay. BP organization grouping. This is coming from cross application components central because we do not create vendors anymore in finance or obj. Okay, this is what we created. Okay, business partner general, 3-star general trading, 3-star obj vendor, 3-star obj vendor, AE language English. Okay, company save. Business partner 10611 is created. Display change. Now we want to create FI vendor. Now for FI vendor, it will create a company code tab. We will go to company code tab. Company code is obj. Okay. Now, oh, where is it? BP. Open BP. Search. Okay, restart general trading. Okay, now we will create FI vendor of the same. Now, in this category, we can create multiple vendors like employee vendor, bank vendor. Now we're creating FI vendor. We go to company code. Company code is POPG. Enter. Okay, we have not created any accounts, so we'll have to create accounts. For that, we'll go to FS00. Double A42. Recon accounts, local vendor. We'll copy it to POPG. Save. Okay. We have 60,000 and 014. Okay, reconciliation account, local vendors and purchase order will be sort key for reconciliation. Okay. Save. It has been saved. Now we want to create vendor. Vendor standard. We go to purchasing. Purchasing organization will be POP. We don't have any. We will take 001. Order currency payment terms. Payable immediately 0 net. Now these were the fields that we left as optional. Schema group 01 automatic PO. Okay. Okay. Save. First, edit the standard address with the error. Standard error. Okay. 3595. Goodbye. Save. So now we have display and change. Now we have FI vendor, vendor, and business partner general under the same number. Now we can create entries. Okay. That we were trying to create an 11 vendor. If we want, start search. We have 3-star general trading, and we will add our material in the next class. Okay. So purchase organizer 101 not responsible for plant. So we'll create this in the next class. Okay. Thank you.